In the 3D Application Design Club, we create prosthetic hands. We 3D print them first, and after they're printed, we assemble it. And after that, we look for people who need the hands, actually, and give it to them for free. I got interested in this because I had an injury with my hand, so I thought there must be a way to convert technology into something useful with our human bodies. Prosthetics are pretty expensive these days, and you can go up to $100,000, but these we're making for free.
I run the fundraising for the club. I try to get funds for these kind of projects. In the future, we have a robotics hand project that we're going to try to do, so we're going to raise funds for that.
First, we're going to make a plain plastic to test it and for fittings. The final version will be carbon fiber because it's a strong material and also light. As long as you have the remaining part of the wrist, after the wrist, as long as the patient can do this movement, they can get a functional prosthetic hand.
So this project is very interesting because I'm going into mechanical engineering, and that kind of helps me in my major, and also it's just thrilling to be able to help people that are in need.
We want to change a lot of people's life. We want to do this as much as we can. We want to secure this after we go out of Moraine. I want to make sure that this club is going to still run after us.